Thinking of starting a property management business in Malaysia? With rising demand in the real estate sector, now's the perfect time to enter the market. Let 3E Accounting Malaysia guide you through every step of the journey. From condominiums to commercial spaces, Malaysia's property sector is booming. With increasing investments in real estate, both local and foreign owners are seeking reliable property managers to handle leasing, maintenance, and tenant relations. We ensure you comply with local laws, including income tax, service tax, SST where applicable, and real estate regulatory guidelines. We'll also help you implement accounting systems to track revenue, costs, and property performance. Whether you're managing one building or an entire portfolio, 3E Accounting Malaysia provides end-to-end support. From company incorporation to legal compliance and ongoing advisory services. Your success is our priority. Visit 3E Accounting Malaysia or contact us today for a personalized consultation and start your property management business the right way.